Our outdoor learning kit is perfect for active play. All of us have those students who need to get the wiggles out, and let's face it, even us teachers need to get the wiggles out. So this product is an awesome way to include outdoor learning. Take the learning outside. The way you can connect this to SEL is you can have students create games using all the items that are stored in the big bin that comes with the kit. There's cones and balls and baskets. One of the best things about games is it shows you who are the leaders, who might need some help with self-confidence, and who can follow the rules. Again, SEL is about getting students and children prepared for the world, and when they can cooperate and collaborate and play together actively, you know you're on the right track.